In this video, we're going to look at setting up web analytics. Infusionsoft has some built-in web tracking that creates anonymous visitor profiles per device. When someone opts in through a web form, if there is a visitor profile for that device, Infusionsoft will merge their visitor activity into the contact record. This allows us to dig deeper into the browsing behavior of our database. In this video, we're going to look at how to find the tracking code so it can be placed on your website. Inside Infusionsoft, we're going to hover over the main navigation, and in the marketing section, go to lead generation. In the web tracking section, we want to get tracking code. Here, you can copy all of the code necessary and place this within the HTML header of your website. When the tracking script is loaded on a website, Infusionsoft is going to create a visitor record, and then if somebody opts in, that record is merged within the contact record. In the next video, we're going to look at collecting leads from in-person events.